Hello guys, ito yung aming harap ng bahay. Marami akong nilagay na Christmas light. There's Gizmo. $24. Ngayon, 24. Ang ganda tingnan ng aking Christmas light. Maano? Aray. Ang lamok ng nagapangutot ang lamok. Grabe. Yung solar, solar yan siya. Hindi siya masyadong bright. Pero yung nakakonek sa electricity, maganda siya kasi bright siya. Yan yung kapitbahay namin. Tapos yung nasa kanto doon, mayroon din doon sa kanto na mayroon din sila decoration. Tapos naman kami dito, tapos naman yung doon, mayroon din sila doon. May naka-parking nga salakyan kasi. Kaya hindi ka agad na kikita galing ng bahay. Kasi itong nasa gitna namin, ano yan sila, Christian. England, English, ano ba yan? English Church. Kasi nakasama ako sa kanila noon. Nag-pray man din sila ng katulad ng Katolik. Yan. Yung kapitbahay namin. Maganda yung kanilang decoration. Tapos naman yung harap naman nila, iyon mayroon din Christmas light. Tapos iyan si Puspos. Tapos yung doon ay iyan ang Christmas light ko. Si Gizmo kag si Shine ay nandyan din sila sa driveway. Maganda man din ang light, diba? Yan yung kapitbahay namin. Ang dami nilang light. Kahit doon sa likod, yung blue, may mga light din. Marami silang light. Decoration kumbaga. Dalaw pa yung Santa nila. Yan. At saka ito. Ang ganda. Ang lamig ng hangin. Hindi ako nakapag-jacket. Ay, ako. Talagang ginastusan nila ito. Kasi yung nakatayo na iyalo nga poste ay mahal din yan. Meron silang dalawa. Yun ang isa. At saka yan ang isa. Tapos may render din sila at saka sleigh. Di ba ang ganda? Kagabi nung nagkuha ako ng isang gabi ng video dito, may salakayan nga puti. Yan na nga yata. They just turn on the music because the other night I took a video. They haven't get that music. They just turn on and I just talked to them, and actually it's her birthday, the owner of the house. Unbelievable. No wonder why it's a big deal for them to always put a decoration there every Christmas, because it's actually her birthday as well. So there you go. That's the house in the corner. This place is good because they have their garage is at the back, so they have like some people, but these people here that this has got Christmas light, they don't park here in the front, but the next door they park their car in the side of the road, like that one over there. There's a car over there. I can't really see that, can I? But during daytime you can see the car a lot, especially when it's not holiday. A lot of cars parking here, but they also got parking there at the back. Puspus is walking towards us. He's, he keeps following me. So if he keeps following me, every time I walk up and down in here, he does that. Keeps following me. Puspus, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Very bright? Okay, I turn off the light. Okay? That's Santa Claus in the middle. That's the one singing. It's so pretty and beautiful. I think this time I'm a bit closer to the Christmas light. I like that one that they put around in their grass. See that corner? And that corner? So beautiful. Wow. They got reindeer. They got koala. They got bird. See? There. They got reindeer. And they got kangaroo. And they got cockatoo. That's it. That's Australian animal, I guess. First time that they put some Christmas light there. Last night or the night before, it wasn't turned on. This Christmas decoration, this is just in our street. So they got Christmas decoration here. And that's my Christmas light in front of our house. The one in the right, that's a solar, and it's not as bright as what I connected into the electricity. And if I go around there, there's the house that has got beautiful decoration. I've been singing. They got the Santa Claus that sing Christmas song. Bye for now.